A lot of men wonder how big a penis should actually be on average, mostly because it affects them in some way. When a man has a small penis, for example, he may get harassed at the gym or get humiliated in bed. Plus, he might not be able to satisfy his partner in bed altogether. This is why so many men want to learn how to enlarge their manhood the natural way. Well, regardless of race, the average size of a penis usually stands at 5.75 inches in erect length and 5 inches in girth. Having said that, though, a lot of men are still uneasy because it doesn't really change much. Even if you are an inch longer or thicker than the average size, the fact is that you probably still want more. Am I right? Don't worry if this is the case, though. You aren't alone. This is why we will talk about how to enlarge your manhood the natural way in this article. The very first thing that you should be happy to know is that it is possible to enlarge your manhood the natural way without the need for pills, suction devices or surgery. Instead of talking about why or how this works, though, let me simply show you how you can achieve this natural penis growth all by your lonesome. To start, let us focus on the technique called dry jelqing for this. In a nutshell, dry jelqing is used to target permanent growth in terms of the thickness of your penis, whether flaccid or erect. Here is a step-by-step guide to make things easier for you. Step 1. Get a semi-erection, around halfway there. Step 2. Create an OK sign with the forefinger and thumb of one of your hands. Your middle finger, ring finger and pinky should all remain outstretched. Step 3. Grip the base of your penis firmly with the OK sign that you created and then slowly move your hand up towards the opposite end of your penis without sliding over its skin. What you should do here instead is keep your fingers on the same flesh area the whole time that you are sliding your hand along the shaft, kind of like milking a cow. This will force the blood inside your penis to move towards the head. Step 4. After doing this milking movement from the base to the head, let your grip grow. This entire movement will count as one of your exercising repetitions. If this is your first time doing the exercise, try doing 20 repetitions to start and keep increasing your repetitions with time until you reach 50. Dry jelqing is just one of the many exercises that you can do to enlarge your manhood the natural way. However, it is only one of the few that is especially made to truly succeed. It has been tried and tested, and proven to truly work. Naturally, it will require some time, patience and practice to master before you can truly enlarge your manhood the natural way with it, though. The good news is that you will only need to use dry jelqs for a few weeks before you notice how much lower and heavier your penis hangs after doing them. Your penis will also feel more solid and weighty when you have an erection. When used along with other exercises on how to enlarge your manhood the natural way every week, you will definitely start to forget about your former average penis size and become bigger than average in no time at all.